Welcome to IFAN Pipe Factory. Let me show you the 8 workshops here. This is IFAN PPR workshop. Mainly produces accessories of various materials such as PPR and PVC. It has multiple production line and advanced equipment to ensure the quality of pipes. This is our injection workshop. It mainly produces accessories with various material. Accessories with the copper. Hundreds of machines are working at the same time to ensure the production efficiency. This is our PAX pipe workshop. It's mainly produces various kinds of PAX pipe, and the one next to me is our PAX aluminum PAX pipe. You can see the details, very good quality. This is IFAN Forging Workshop. Our top products, including copper core of plastic accessories, are forged here. This is our CNC workshop. Forged copper products will be finely processed here. This is IFAN assembly workshop. Accessories produced in various workshops will be assembled here. This is IFAN bellows workshop. Various metal bellows are produced here. This is our IFAN packaging workshop. The products are manufactured or assembled are packing here. The 8 workshops of IFAN Factory are briefly introduced here. The friends from all around the world are welcome to visit. Goodbye.